OnePlus has taken extra efforts to make the launch of OnePlus 6T special. We have this big reviewer's box for the OnePlus 6T. Now let's see what OnePlus has in store for us inside. We have 3 boxes out here. Let's open the first box. Now inside this box, we have 3 phone cases. OnePlus removed the headphone jack on the OnePlus 6T this time. They've launched the Type-C Bullets earphones. Now let's check out the second box. The box on the right, as you can see, comes with a dock. Now let's open the most important box here. This is the new OnePlus 6T. Now let's see what's inside the box. We have another phone case here, which is a transparent black colored phone case for the OnePlus 6T. What else is inside the box? The dash charger for the OnePlus 6T. We also have this tiny red colored USB Type-C connector. So using this, you can use your normal 3.5mm headphones with the OnePlus 6T. We have the mirror black OnePlus 6T with us here. OnePlus is releasing the 6T in only mirror black and midnight black. You won't get the other colors, which are red and white, for the OnePlus 6T. OnePlus 6T looks much like the OnePlus 6, except for a few but noticeable changes. The most noticeable change here is the tinier notch, giving more room for the display. Speaking of which, OnePlus 6T has a 6.41-inch AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 6 on top. The back panel is also glass, a design change OnePlus started this year. The rear fingerprint sensor is gone, as you can see. It is replaced by the in-display fingerprint sensor. OnePlus 6T feels slightly thicker than the OnePlus 6. Moving on, you have the same dual camera setup as the OnePlus 6, which is a combination of 16 megapixel and 20 megapixel cameras. OnePlus has added a new night mode on the 6T for better low-light photography. We'll talk about this more in our review. Also, this feature will be coming to the OnePlus 6 as well. Under the hood, OnePlus 6T runs on the same Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor. With the OnePlus 6T, there's no 64GB storage model this year. It'll come with 6GB and 8GB of RAM, and for storage options, you have 128GB and 256GB. You get a bigger 3700 mAh battery on the OnePlus 6T. On the software front, OnePlus 6T ships with Android Pie out of the box, and it has Oxygen OS 9.03 layered on top. Stay tuned for the full detailed review of the OnePlus 6T. We'll find out how the smartphone performs, especially its in-display fingerprint sensor. We'll also see if it's a worthy upgrade over the OnePlus 6.